Carlo Fatima Cole. I'm here at Dunkirk playing fields to support my nephew Penga, playing for Niue under 18s mixed. Whiwhilahi au support the Niue tag. Good luck to all the teams and good luck to Penga and Vaughan coming up. Niue Kimua.
Hi, my name's Ozzy and I'm 17 and I'm the captain on Niue, and thanks for everyone supporting.
Whakaoela.
My name is Lee and I'm playing for Niue. We had a pretty good day today. Thank you for everyone coming and supporting Niue. Hope that everyone has a good day today. And up the walls. Yeah, baby.